My name is Rajat Nair. My register number is URK19CS1107. Today we gonna talk about on the topic linked list implementation of list ADT. So basically, a linked list is a linear data structure. So in which we can give, insert, delete, search, and display. These are the following functions we will do in the following linked list implementation of list ADT. Let's move on to the code. First, we have to include stdio.h and also stdlib.h. So this is basically in C language. So we have done this. Now we need to struct a node. Basically, we need to construct a node. So we have given struct node, in which there are two things. One is data and one is the link address. So we have created another struct node of pointer. This star belongs to pointer, that and the link will be equal to the value. So basically, link will give the address and star link, that is the pointer link, will give the exact value. Now we create another node, that is star head, that is pointer head. Now we have created some functions, that is void insert big, void insert big, void insert last, void insert middle, void delete first, void delete end, void delete random, void search, void display. These are the functions to be calculated. Now first we have this is a menu driven program, so we have constructed void main, in which we are asking the user about we have given a menu driven. So basically, the user could have a menu in which we need to give press 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 9. So basically, 1 is for insert at beginning, 2 is for insert at last, 3 is for insert at the middle, 4th is for deleted beginning, 5th deleted last, 6th deleted random, 7 search, 8 display, and 9 is for exit. Now this is for we have created in a switch case to call it. So we have created a choice, then that scan of it, so that it can scan the choice variable. Now we have created case 1 for beginning, insert at beginning, case 2 for insert last, case 3 for insert middle, case 4 for delete at first, case 5 delete at end, case 6 delete at random, case 7 search, and case 8 is for displaying. So basically, if case 9 is for exit, now if you anyone give 10 11 12, it will print enter valid option. Now begin to the code. Let's move on to the further part of the code, basically the main part. So basically, void insert beginning. So basically, we need to insert a data in the beginning of the stack. So we have created a struct node star pointer will be struct node star malloc size of struct node star. So basically, is for calculating the size of, and malloc is for creating the address. Now int item, if ptr equal to null, then printf overflow, else printf enter value. So basically, if ptr equal to null, it will show overflow. Otherwise, the code will provide you enter value. Then the user enter a value which is stored in the item. Now ptr, this arrow, right arrow is like ptr of data. So ptr of data equal to item, then ptr of link equal to head. We have store item in the data and head equal to link, and head will be equal to ptr, because after creating a node, another node will be there also. So it's like that. So head equal to ptr, then printf node created. So at insert beginning is this, and now we have to insert at last. So same procedure. What we have to do, we have to struct node and then pointer ptr and pointer 10. So basically, we have created another node variable, so for providing the last element. So basically, ptr is the struct node star malloc size of struct node star. So int item, if ptr equal to no, again it will print enter overflow. Else we have to give that other number, so that is stored in item. So ptr of data equal to item. If head equal to null, then ptr of link equal to null. head equals to ptr, printf node created. Basically if head equal to null, then pointer will be the pointer of link will stored as null, otherwise head equal to ptr. Else if temp equal to head while temp of link not equal to, like other variable of link of address is not equal to null, then it will provide temp equal to temp of link. So basically other links, other nodes address will be copied here. Now temp of link equal to ptr. So because before first node was ptr, then the other node of temp. So basically we are copying it. Then ptr of link will be null. Now we have created ptr because we have stored the values in temp. So basically ptr will be null now. So again node insert. So basically we have created insert beginning and insert last. Now we are creating insert middle. So basically same thing is that same struct node star ppt star temp, ptr will be struct node star malloc size of struct node int item. Now if ptr equal to null, it will show again overflow, otherwise else it will ask the user enter the value, and user will give the value as which will be stored as an item. Now pointer of data equal to item, printf enter the location. Now for middle, so basically middle is like we have to give some random position to insert in at middle of any node. So enter the location, so it will provide the location, the user will provide the location, and temp equal to head. At that time temp will be equal to head. Now if I equal to 0, I less than l, I plus plus, so basically temp will be stored as temp of link. If temp equal to null, it will say given node not found, otherwise ptr of link equal to temp of link. So basically ptr of link, the new node is coming, that's ptr of link will be stored as temp of link. Then again temp of link will be stored as ptr data. So basically ptr is a data only. So now if this code runs, it will give you the, if we provided the location, it will provide the the code will provide the user some location in which he wants to add another node. Now void delete first. So basically we have created 3 insert functions. Now it's time to get over 3 delete functions. So basically delete first is the first. Same thing, struct node star pointer, ptr will be struct node star malloc size of struct node. Now if head equal to null, list is empty, else ptr equal to head, head will be assigned to ptr of link, free ptr. So basically ptr will be free now. So basically free is used for deleting it. So delete first will be like the first node which is there will be deleted now. So basically we have given a free function, that is free because free is used in stdlib. So we have created that, we have include stdlib.h. So basically free is from that library. Now delete from end basically the last node. So same thing, struct node star pointer, we have created another star ptr1 to store it in another format. So basically if head equal to null, printf list is empty, otherwise else if head of link equal to null, head it will be saved as null. Now free head, so basically only node of the list delete. So basically if that node is provided in the list, it will be deleted by this statement. Head of link equal to null, head equal to null, free head. Now otherwise if ptr will be equal to head, at that time head if at that time head of link is equal to null. Now ptr will be equal to head, so ptr of link not equal to null, then it will store in another variable, that is ptr1 equal to ptr. Also ptr equal to ptr of, so basically previous data will be, previous address will be stored in ptr. Now ptr1 of link equal to null, free ptr. So basically if ptr of 1 is of link, that is the new variable which is stored as a link will, if it is null, then we have to free it. So basically delete a node from the last. Basically this function will delete you from the last. Now delete at random. So basically random is like you have to give a position and all. so that it will go at that position and delete that node. So basically struct node star ptr1 and loc. So basically we have to give a location where we have to delete at run. So it will ask the user it, enter the location, then user give a location which is scanned by the function as loc. Now if ptr equal to head, we have to create a for loop where it will go till loc the position, and it will go create ptr equal to ptr equal to ptr of it. So basically it's a monkey concept. So it's like one node will go, it will check the first node, it will go to other node, and then so on. So basically it's jump from other node to other code. So basically if ptr of 1 is linked with ptr of link, basically what we have to do, if what the location has arrived, if that pointer of link, that address will be equal to normal variables address, then it will say free of that ptr. So it's printf deleted. Now if you run this code, we can see delete random function with 1. Now void search, basically if you say, if you have a few nodes and you have to search a data, so like if you want to search 15, so if you give 15, so it will say data found or not, so like that. Basically we have created struct node star ptr int item I equal to 0 and flag. Basically we have given I equal to 0, which is used in somehow, basically it's like for counting, I think so, yeah. So ptr equal to head. Now if ptr equal to null, link will be empty, else it will ask the user enter item which you want to search. Now scanf, the user will provide it item. So basically it will scanf by this item and we store it in the item variable. Now if ptr is not equal to null, if ptr of data equal to item found at the location, so like basically it will search if ptr of data equal to item. So basically ptr is a variable, and that data will be equal to if the user provided that item, it will say item found at location this, and we have created a flag of 0 because if not the item is doesn't match, it will say, it will break it and then go to flag it to equal to 1, and then it will go to I++, so for the next node. So basically we have created another ptr equal to ptr of next address. If flag equal to 1, item not found. So basically if flag equal to 1 is there, it will say item not found. Now the last function is for displaying. Displaying function is for to give all the datas and the addresses to be displayed. So basically we created struct node star ptr equal to head. If ptr equal to null, it will say list is empty, otherwise it will show till ptr not equal to null. We have given a while condition where ptr if not equal to null, it will provide ptr equal to ptr of link. So basically ptr of data will be provided, and it will go to another node which is stored as ptr equal to ptr of link, and then we can display all the nodes present in it. So let's run this code. So basically we have to give 1, enter the value, I think 30. Again we insert three nodes. We created we can create 3 nodes. So basically I'm going for another node, that is 20, and one more 10. So basically now you can see actually, so basically you can see I have created 2 nodes, 20 and 30. Should I create one more, that is 10. Now we can see 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30 is created. Now we have to insert at last. So user will provide 2, enter them. What we have to provide at the last, I think 40 will be best. So I've created 40. Now node inserted. So you can see by displaying it, you can see 10, 20, 30, 40. Now if you want to insert at the middle, so basically user should provide 3, enter the value 15. So 15 should be in at what position you need after 1, 0, like index position should be like 0 1 2 3 till the last one. So basically I want to provide it the 0 after 0. So if I provide 0, so you can say if I display it, you can say 10 15 20 30 40. So basically insert will there. So now if the user provided 4, it will say deleted or delete at the beginning. So basically you can see 10 is at the 10 was at the beginning, now it's deleted, now it's only 15 20 30 40. Now if you want to delete at last, you should say delete at last. So you can see last, like the last value was 40, now it's only 15 20 and 30. Now you can see only 15 20 30, so only 1 2 3 nodes are there. Now if you want to delete at random, so provide 6 location 1. So you can see that my 20th, that is what located at 1, will be deleted. Now only 15 and 30 are left. So basically 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 3 insert functions and 3 delete functions are working. Now for search and also display function is also working, that's why you can see this all the printing values. Now for search, so basically if you want to search any item, so basically 50 and 30 is already there. So if I search 50, if I go for search, if I want to search 15, so it will say item found at location 1. Or if I say 20, if I put 20, it will say item not found, because 20 is not in the node. So basically, and 8th one is for displaying the product. So basically after inserting and deleting all that, we will only getting 15 and 30 as the answer, so it is display. And 9th one is for exit. So basically the code is right. Thank you.